Guys, I've got the skinny on your skin type. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking all about skin type. One of the most confusing things. Well, not like the most confusing thing. Hopefully this video will clear everything up. Okay, anyway, if you happen to be new to my channel, welcome. I'm a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it quick and easy, and then giving all my information to you in this video. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. All right, guys, you know the drill. Let's get into it. We all want a simple solution to skincare, among many other things. It would be so much easier if we just fit into a certain category and we could base all of our skincare products off of that. Essentially, there are 4 skin types. Normal, which I don't even think should be a skin type, because what does normal mean? Anyway, combination, oily, and dry. However, it gets confusing because if you're in the oily category, well, how oily are you? Are you very, very oily, or are you just a little bit oily, or are you somewhere in the middle? Here's why it gets so confusing. There's a big difference between skin type, like I just mentioned, oily, combination, dry, and skin condition. Skin type you're born with, although it can slightly change, through your life, most of the time it stays pretty constant. Skin condition, on the other hand, is a mess. Skin condition can be changed by external factors and internal factors. So external factors meaning like where you live or when the seasons change. Your skin condition can also be changed by your lifestyle. So for instance, if you're working out in a pool 5 days a week, that's gonna affect your skin. If you work in a kitchen restaurant, your skin's condition can be reflected in redness, dehydration, acne, sun damage, clogged pores, and sensitivity, and so much more. I'm gonna be honest with you, and I'm sure there are people who are not gonna like this and not agree with what I have to say, but what you're gonna do, I base my skincare routine off of my skin condition. I can tell you, I have combination skin, and I know that based on the fact that my pores are larger in the center of my face and smaller on the outside of my face. However, what I need to address in my skincare routine is not really the fact that I have combination skin. It's the fact that I live in LA, so my skin is dehydrated, that I'm surrounded by pollution, so my skin is more susceptible to damage, that when I'm on my period, I tend to break out more around my hormonal areas and my skin tends to be a little bit more oily, and that I try a ton of different makeup products and a ton of different skincare products, so my skin is more susceptible to clogged pores. All of these things are more important than the fact that I have combination skin. Combination skin will give you a start, but it can't point me in the exact direction on the compass because there's so many other factors that you have to take into place. Think about it, guys. Your skin's main job, besides driving you crazy, is protecting your body from external irritation. And although it has many layers to try to help do that, of course it's going to be affected by any condition that it's in. The same way that external factors can hinder your skin, internal factors can hinder your skin as well. For example, not drinking enough water, guilty as charged. And also medications and your diet, they all affect your skin. But here's the kicker. A huge reason to why your skincare routine is so jacked is because you're using the wrong skincare products. Let me give you an example. Let's say you don't moisturize your skin, okay? So you don't moisturize your skin and suddenly there comes the day when you're just like, yo, my skin is so dry that I gotta get some moisture on it. I'm gonna go to the store and get some moisturizer because my skin is so dry. Okay, so you go to the store and you're like, hey, my skin is so dry. I need a moisturizer because my skin is dry. And then the salesperson's like, oh, I have just the moisturizer for this dry skin. Here you go. And you're like, yay, my skin will not be as dry. So you take the moisturizer home and you're so pumped because you spent money on it and you're gonna use it. And you're gonna actually use it this time. So you start using it twice a day, every day for a week. But then, dun dun dun, can you tell it's Halloween season? Your skin starts to break out and become more oily. And then you blame the skincare product for making you more oily and for breaking you out. So then you stop using the moisturizer and you put it to the side, or you use it less and you're not using it, and then we fall into the same cycle again and again and again and again. Okay, here's how to avoid that. The first thing you gotta do, and I say it in every single video, is you've got to start with the basic skincare routine. Use your skin type as a guideline. You know if you're really, really oily because you feel it in an hour or two based on your skin throughout the years. You know if you're really, really, really oily. So if you're that oily, then do a basic skincare routine, because here's the deal. Every single skin type, every single age needs to cleanse and they need to hydrate. So if you're in that oily skin bracket, then find formulas in a moisturizing category that are thin, lightweight, so that they don't clog your pores. Now, if you're really, really dry, in your simple skincare routine, you need to look for heavier lotions, richer moisturizers, layering it with serums, things like that. Now, if you're somewhere in between, which most of us are, or you're not really sure where to start, then find a middle ground. Find something that's not too heavy, not too light, and I'll link some of my favorite skincare products in the description box below, so definitely you can check that out if you want my recommendations. But if your combination, or you're not sure, start in the middle, use it for a week or a couple weeks, and then you're gonna notice if your skin is too oily, then you need a lighter moisturizer, or if your skin still feels dry, you need to layer it or get a heavier moisturizer. That is the best way, because your skin is going to be sending you those signals, and you just need to look out, you know. So whether that be at lunch break, you're like, hey, I'm just gonna notice my skin, or I'm just gonna look in the mirror when I'm touching up my makeup after work. Once you have a regular routine, then you can address those skin condition issues like dehydration or acne or sunspots, things like that. And honestly, that's where the fun really begins. I'd love to start a new playlist on my channel all about skin conditions and what to do about them. So if there's a skin condition you'd like me to cover, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys are having an awesome week. As always, more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at MakeupByShannonMarie. And I'll catch you next video. My hands are raising. I don't know why. Bye!